right now. Let's see. Oh, they've covered up the thing. This is the Newcastle. After the tornado, of course, it's the day after. Still branches down in the thing in the park. But it went right through here. And we live right back there in the apartments up on the hill. And we all got in an inner bathroom, downstairs, laundry room protected. Other people went up here and went to the local public shelter, and that's where the tornado went, but they're all okay. And Rogan's school, Newcastle Elementary, is right down the street up here. And it is closed. They are out for the summer because it ripped the roof right off it. And they lost all their power. You can see the police are down there, won't let anybody even go down there. So, and that some houses got ruined back there too. So, but thankfully everybody in Newcastle was okay. There's some siding ripped off an old building. Oh yeah, a lot of the store street signs got blown off. You'll see blue tarp a lot of places. And then it cut through up here, through, of all places, an RV storage lot. So it looks really bad. The tire place got wiped out, the feed store, you can see, and a lot of the debris on the other side is actually from that. The little funky hardware store, oddity shop got it. The back of this church got it. It hit the back side of it. And then there's the RV park. Over there, they hit the RV park pretty bad. So, of all places, because if you can see that it all is over here on that side. And none of that was there. Nothing was there. It was a pasture. So, and the tornado continued its little path from over there to I guess it went through this open field here, and the Newcastle Gaming Center is up here, and it just went right by it and didn't even hurt it. So, and then it went across the Canadian River and took out part of a nursery, and then it lifted. That was the furthest we could see any marks from tornado damage. So, but yeah, it went across out there.